from a far distance was a remote control plane. As they continued going north, it got bigger and bigger and bigger to the point of, okay, that's really close to the ground. I think he's trying to land it on State Route 7. I see him getting closer and closer to the ground. The wheels hit the ground, kind of wobbles a little bit. He was able to hit the brakes to bring it to a stop in the center turn lane.
Post your comments below, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and follow us on social networks and subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching. This is WC Daily. Think big, think different. Bye.